Okay, so we have the Aspire One desktop, which is all quite handy and nice and very simple and easy to use. But supposing you want to use the the standard XFCE desktop, pretty easy to get that going. Load a terminal, press Alt F2, which brings up the run menu. Tick the box for running terminal, click run, and you're in a terminal window. Loads of different ways of doing this. I create a bin directory under our home directory and change into that. And then I prepared this earlier on. We need to type in this command. I can copy it and paste it in by right clicking. Right, I'm going to download this file called changedesktop.sh, which someone has written. Well, perhaps it's not a bad idea to actually look at what that does. Right, first line is the shebang line, which tells the shell what interpreter to run, bin sh. Some comments, the guy who wrote it, leave those in. This line looks at the running processes for a program called XF Desktop 2. This background is a program. And what we're going to do is to see if it's running. If the reply back is 0, which means it is running, then stop it. And instead run this one, which is the standard XFCE desktop program. Otherwise, else, if it's not running, kill the standard one and run the Acer one. So it's going to give us a toggle. Before we can run it, we need to make it executable, which is chmod plus X. Well, it should be plus X. The thing we've just downloaded. Now we can run it and test it, see what it does the right thing. / before it, run it, and if we minimise that, we'll see what it's done. Close that down. Now I've run it. We've got a standard XFCE desktop with the wallpaper that's the default wallpaper supplied by. If we run it again, gives us back to what we had before. Right, what we can do is another nifty command, xfce -4-panel with a -a switch. We can add an icon. We can add a launcher icon to the toolbar, to the status bar at the bottom. So if we've got launcher selected here, click add. Brings up this. We need to give it a name. Call it DSKTRP switcher. A description. Whatever. We need an icon. Now, if we bring up the file menu, click the first tab, which is going to give you the whole hard drive. And I know that if I go down to user, share, takes away icons, takes us to there. Now, if I know that if I go into gnome icons, and if I want a 32 by 32 icon in actions, there's a lot of icons in there, and I want one called reload. That'll do. A nice little icon, looks like it'll do the right thing for us. If I click that in there, and the command I want to run is /home. Yeah, let's find it. Use the finder properly. Double click on that. That is in there. Don't want to run it in a terminal at all. And our icon is there at the bottom. Let's minimize this a minute. Back to that. Back to that. Sweet. Sweet and so easy. Okay, job done.